final day, and I'm kind of sad it's coming to an end. Actually, it's been well, I've done this before. It's been a great experience. I've met some great people, and I've just seen some amazing sights. You know, the landscape, the herding, the hospitality by the Kazakh Eagle Hunters is second to none. It's just fantastic. So yeah, it's going to be a real shame when this comes to an end. Well, got my own couple of camels now, look. So, yeah, going through deep snow with these boys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Pretty cool, eh? Such an incredible place. We've just come through a valley, and in the background have been these mountains, snow-covered mountains. It's just stunning, really stunning, and it's got quite a mystical feel about it. This place, just up in the valley there are some very ancient grave sites, about 3,000 years old, and yeah, it's got a bit of a mystical feel about it. And then you've got things like standing stones dotted around, you know, all amongst the mountains. You know, the ancient civilization that was here 3,000-4,000 years ago. Absolutely spectacular. I would leave you with these beautiful mountains. Down that way. That's it. 5-day migration done. It's been fantastic. The family that we've been walking with, the Eagle Hunter Airbal, is great. They've got a great sense of humour. The scenery is just outstanding. The summer, spring sort of house here, the foot of the mountains, right next to a lake, frozen lake. You couldn't ask for more. So, if you want to join me next year and experience this for yourself and get some great images and experience everything Western Mongolia and the Eagle Hunters migration has to offer, then inquire now at the website. Yeah, you will love it. It's fantastic. I guarantee that.